Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikram Raj K. Jain, Consultant Clinical Immunologist and Rheumatologist at Optima Clinics, and I am here to talk about rheumatoid arthritis, also known as Sandhi Vata in Kannada, also called as Ghatia in northern parts of the country. What is rheumatoid arthritis? Arthritis refers to inflammation of the joints, whereas rheumatoid refers to rheumatism or any musculoskeletal illness. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disease which causes pain, swelling and stiffness of the joints. Usually the small joints of the hands as well as the feet are commonly affected, though rheumatoid arthritis can affect any joint of the body. Patients can also have symptoms like fever, fatigue, weight loss. If untreated, rheumatoid arthritis can cause the joints to be damaged and deformed in the long run. So what causes rheumatoid arthritis? A question in everybody's mind is, why did it affect me? Rheumatoid arthritis, or for that matter any autoimmune disease, occurs when a person is genetically susceptible to get the disease and there is some environmental trigger which causes the body's immune system to go haywire and attack its own body. The trigger in rheumatoid arthritis is usually smoking, infections of the tooth or the lung. This is how a normal joint looks, where the bones are covered by an articular cartilage. This is surrounded by a fluid known as a synovial fluid. Rheumatoid arthritis, the chronic inflammation damages this lining over the bone surface, that is the articular cartilage, and erodes into the underlying bone. The joint damage ultimately causes deformities of the joints of the hands as well as feet in the long run, especially if untreated. Long-standing rheumatoid arthritis can cause various complications. Involvement of the joints of the neck can compress the spinal cord. Inflammation of the blood vessels can cause vasculitis, causing gangrene of the hands as well as the feet. In fact, rheumatoid arthritis is equivalent to diabetes in predisposition to heart diseases. Patients with rheumatoid arthritis, if untreated, also die early. So who gets rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis is one of the most common inflammatory arthritis worldwide, with a prevalence of around 0.5 to 1%. That means, for example, the population of Bangalore is around 1.2 crores. So approximately 50,000 to 1 lakh patients with rheumatoid arthritis may be in Bangalore. Women make up around 3/4 of these patients. Rheumatoid arthritis commonly affects patients in the 4th to 6th decades. However, it can affect any age group. How is rheumatoid arthritis diagnosed? The diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis is made by an expert in autoimmune disease known as a rheumatologist, who assesses your signs and symptoms as well as makes use of certain specialized blood tests. These tests include rheumatoid factor and anti-cyclic citrullinate peptide. These are nothing but proteins which are elevated in nearly 70 to 80% patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Sometimes X-rays of the joints may also be ordered in uncertain cases. The treatment of rheumatoid arthritis has vastly improved in the past 20 years, largely because of early diagnosis and use of aggressive treatment from the start. Drugs known as disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs or DMARDs, biological therapies and newer targeted therapies have revolutionized the management of rheumatoid arthritis so that it can be managed in most patients well as cured in a few. There are a lot of myths regarding rheumatoid arthritis. I would just like to address 3 top myths regarding rheumatoid arthritis. Myth number 1, rheumatoid arthritis is incurable, taking treatment is a waste of time. The truth is, rheumatoid arthritis, especially if early diagnosis is made and treated appropriately, can be cured in some patients. Most patients with appropriate treatment can lead a normal life. We are preventing joint damage, we are preventing the effect of rheumatoid arthritis in organs other than the joints like the lung, the eyes, etc. So treatment of rheumatoid arthritis is important. Don't believe those people who say that rheumatoid arthritis is incurable. Myth number 2, eating certain vegetables and food substances causes arthritis. Research has shown that there is no strong relationship between food and arthritis. In fact, eating a healthy diet that includes fruits and vegetables is helpful for treatment of arthritis. So there is no strong relationship between food and arthritis. As long as you are taking a healthy diet, it is good for your arthritis. Myth number 3, drugs used in rheumatoid arthritis are very toxic to the kidney and liver and should not be taken. The truth is that Treatment by an expert rheumatologist who is trained in uses of this medicine is very, very important. In proper dosage and with proper monitoring, the chances of side effects are very, very negligible. In fact, if you take the risk-benefit ratio, the benefit of taking these medications appropriately is very useful rather than the risk, which is very, very negligible. Before we end, some important points to remember regarding rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a well-treatable disease. Get in touch with the rheumatologist for appropriate management. Regular medications and timely follow-up is crucial in the treatment of this disease. Regular exercise leading a healthy lifestyle also adds in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. It is important to remember that most patients with rheumatoid arthritis with appropriate treatment can lead normal life. Thank you everyone.